To you all concerned in Kana math classes concerning 12th math regarding CBSE board. Now I am going to integrate some particular integrals based on some fundamental principle of integration, that is deviated from the usual method. Here under question number 5, integral I is equal to 3x dx 1 upon 2x4, we may write this integral as 3x dx, and the basic pattern of this will be equal to 1 plus root 2 x square whole square. Here we will substitute root 2x square is equal to tan of theta, hence put root 2x square is equal to tan theta. Now differentiate both sides or taking derivative of both sides, hence this will be equal to 2 root 2x dx, and this is equal to sec square theta d theta. Now we will replace here I is equal to 3x dx. X dx we will find here the value of x ds will be equal to x dx will be equal to 1 upon 2 root 2 sec square theta d theta. Now x dx will be substituted by this, and taking this out of integral sign, 1 upon 2 root 2 integral sec square theta d theta upon 1 plus root 2 x square. We have substituted this by tan theta. This will be equal to tan square theta. Now this is equal to 3 by 2 root 2 sec square theta, and this is 1 plus tan square theta will be equal to, by virtue of formula, sec square theta d theta. Sec square theta will be cut by sec square theta, and 3 upon 2 root 2 integral d theta. Integral d theta, this will become 3 upon 2 root 2 integral d theta means theta plus constant c. Now I will become 3 upon 2 root 2. Theta means we have substituted tan theta is equal to root 2 x square, means tan theta is equal to root 2 x square, hence theta will be equal to tan inverse root 2 x square. So this theta will be resubstituted by tan inverse root 2 x square. Tan inverse root 2 x square plus c. This will be the requisite integral of the integral under question 5. Now in continuous of the next question, question number 6, here integral I is equal to x square upon 1 minus x raised to the power 6 dx. We will change this integral into x square dx upon 1 minus x cube whole square. 1 minus x cube whole square. Now if we put x cube is equal to t, put x cube is equal to t, then 3x square dx will be equal to dt. By finding out the derivative of both sides or differentiating with respect to dx and dt, x cube means 3x square dx is equal to dt, or x square dx will be equal to 1 by 3 dt. Now we will replace this value in this integral. X square dx means 1 upon 3 dt, 1 upon 3 dt, and this will be equal to 1 minus t square. Now if we factorize the denominator into, this will become dt upon 1 minus t into 1 plus t. With the help of partial fraction, we will have to 1 upon 1 minus t sorry 1 minus t into 1 plus t, 1 minus t into 1 plus t is equal to 1 upon 2 1 minus t plus 1 plus t, 1 plus t. 1 minus t into 1 plus t will be written as 1 minus t upon 1 plus t. This is 1 upon, this will be equal to 1 minus t into 1 plus t. 1 and 1 means 2, that is neutralized by 1 by 2, minus t plus t cancel. So you may further simplify this 1 upon 1 minus t. 1 minus t will be, we will write here 1 minus t upon 1 minus t into 1 plus t plus 1 plus t upon 1 minus t into 1 plus t. Here we see that 1 minus t will be cancelled by 1 minus t and 1 plus t will be cancelled by 1 plus t, and this remains 1 upon 2 1 upon 1 plus t plus 1 upon 1 minus t. Now instead of writing dt upon this, we will analyze this into a partial fraction by 1 by 2, 1 upon 1 plus t plus 1 upon 1 minus t. Here 1 upon 3, and this is 1/2 dt upon 1 plus t, dt upon 1 plus t plus dt upon 1 minus t, dt upon 1 plus t plus dt upon 1 minus t। तो ये टू इंटीग्रल हो गए, तो 1/6 इंटीग्रल ऑफ dt upon 1 plus t means log 1 plus t, log 1 plus t, this will be equal to log 1 minus t, and further minus t with sign minus means log 1 minus t। This is actually log m minus log n, and it will be by virtue of formula log m minus log n is equal to log m upon log n. This will be 1/6 log 1 plus t upon 1 minus t plus c. Now resubstituting the value of 1 plus t and 1 minus t by this substitution, x cube is equal to t means if you write here 1 plus t, it will be 1 plus x cube. This will be equal to 1/6 log 1 plus t means 1 plus x cube, 1 plus x cube upon 1 minus t means 1 minus x cube. So 1 minus t means 1 minus x cube, and this is c. Now this is the requisite answer of the integral under question number 6. Thank you for watching this video. I will like if you comment, like and subscribe the video. Thanks you for watching.